Well, I'm back at it. There's an old amplifier. It's a Sonar. Oh, Sonar amplifier. I gotta put this back on. I forgot to do that. Let me screw that back on. That's the light right there. That's the cover for the light. Anyways, yeah, it's a Sonar BR2906. And I've been cleaning it up and repairing it. Now, I got it as parts, and there was some parts missing. I'll show you right here. This wire's in the way. This part right here was not there, and I put one in. I put a capacitor here because it requires one. The coil was totally disconnected from the front of it right here where it screws in. Right there, I had to put it back into place. Clean the light bulb, made sure the light bulb was working properly, and so I had to rewire this part of this section because it was totally disconnected. When I got it, there was no tubes. I already got the tubes. I'm just keeping it safe. This shaft right here, which takes the power off the top of the tubes, was busted. So I had to reverse this part, put it in here because that part was still good. So I screwed it in there. That's fine. And then I took a screw, and I had a little bit of thread left. I put the screw on, and then I did a lot of soldering because these things right here for the tubes was also missing. So yeah, basically this, I guess someone was trying to fix it, and they just didn't know what they were doing, trying to solve a problem. But it's okay. I'm trying to restore it myself. I got a schematic diagram which is right over here. I've been following that diagram, and it's the exact diagram for this unit. I already took the two capacitors that were out over here. I ordered them. They were totally blown. There's a Tesla coil here, which I'm not 100% about that. So hopefully, in the relay, I cleaned the relay, and then I cleaned the relay here. I took it out because it unplugs. I took the plastic cap off, and sprayed it. So other than that, I'm hoping after I get the capacitors, and I did a lot of cleaning in here. It was full of dust and dirt for over the years. So everything else seems to be there, except for this section. I was concerned. I'm hoping that, I followed the diagram as best I could, and wired it all back. And I'm hoping that this Tesla coil right here, this thing is working. Sometimes they blow up or they short out, and it's basically a coil of wires in there, and it steps up the voltage. So everything else is intact. So I'm hoping once I get the capacitors in, I'll be able to do a test run. Hopefully, cross my fingers. If it don't work, well, well, at least I tried. You know what I'm saying? These old transistors here that is part of the process of the Tesla coil. Hoping that they're not shot, because sometimes they blow out as well. Replacement parts on these kind of old linears are not easy to get. The tubes, yeah, there's 6 JU6 tubes, and I got the tubes in stock. So yeah, and with that, that's all I have to say today. I figured I'd show you guys what I'm up to, and hopefully I'll have this thing run, and we'll make another video on that when it's complete. I'll actually record the whole process of testing it. See you later.